वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। आज शुरू करते हैं एक डिफरेंट कंपनी, अनोखी कंपनी एंड जो एक डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ बिजनेस करता है, उसके ही आईपीओ के बारे में हम लोग बोलने वाले हैं। अबाउट द बिजनेस, अबाउट द फाइनेंशियल्स, अबाउट द रिस्क एंड वेदर यू शुड इन्वेस्ट और नॉट। चलिए शुरू करते हैं इस कंपनी के बारे में कि ये कंपनी करते क्या है एंड व्हाट आर द लॉन्ग टर्म व्यूज एंड ऑल। सो आप देख सकते हैं ये डायमंड और ज्वेल्स स्टोन्स के ऊपर ये कंपनी काम करती है। सो दिस आर द टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स जहाँ पे अबाउट द कंपनी हम लोग बोलने वाले हैं कि कंपनी क्या करती है, एस्टेब्लिश एंड ऑल, देन बिजनेस, अबाउट द बिजनेस एंड ऑल, देन उसके बाद आईपीओ की हाईलाइट्स, देन फाइनेंशियल्स, की स्ट्रेंथ क्या है कंपनी के एंड एसोसिएट चैलेंजेस, देन उसके बाद वेदर यू शुड इन्वेस्ट और नॉट. So this will be completely our perspective. You should invest or not invest. You should do your own analysis before investing or before putting any money. So let's begin. तो about the business. So ये एक अनोखी बिजनेस है. कैसे कि इसे I'm just give an example. आपके पास डायमंड्स बहुत कीमती होते हैं. Diamonds are like magical stars found on earth, right? So आपके पास कोई भी डायमंड हो एंड उसके एसोसिएट अगर किसी ने बोला कि ये ऑथेंटिक डायमंड नहीं है, ओके, ये ओरिजिनल डायमंड नहीं है, तो वहाँ पे काम आती है ये कंपनी. ये कंपनी क्या करती है? ये कंपनी एसोसिएट सर्टिफिकेट देती है कि आपके पास ये कैटेगरी के डायमंड है. दिस इज सर्टिफिकेट. सो बेसिकली ऑथेंटिसिटी, जब भी वो सर्टिफिकेट होता है, दैट्स बिकम ऑथेंटिसिटी सर्टिफिकेट, कि ये प्रूव करते हैं कि दिस इज द डायमंड एंड दे प्रोवाइड द सर्टिफिकेट. ओके, दिस इज द होल कंप्लीट बिजनेस where this company steps in. आपके पास whatever diamonds you have. So otherwise this will be a normal stone. So let's know about the diamond. Diamond होता क्या है and what are the different diamonds which are available in the market. एक होता है natural diamond, okay, which is mine करके निकाला जाता है. दूसरा है lab grown diamond जो लैब में होता है. So these are the two types of diamond we get in the market. तो पहला होता है माइन फ्रॉम अर्थ, ओके, नीचे से माइन करके निकाला जाता है. दूसरा है केमिकली डेवलप्ड इन लैब्स. एंड यहाँ पे बहुत सारे डिटेल्स दे हैं, जैसे कि शेप ऑफ रफ फ्रॉम, and you can see all those details is given. I'm not going in a very details because I don't have a background to give us कैसे होता है नहीं है, बट यू कैन रीड थ्रू कि एक नॉर्मल डायमंड एंड आर्टिफिशियल डायमंड में क्या अंतर होता है. सो बेसिकली डायमंड्स इज एलिमेंट्स ऑफ कार्बन, तो जिसमें आप देख सकते हैं कि सिंगल एलिमेंट कार्बन विथ सम इम्प्योरिटीज एंड सिंगल एलिमेंट कार्बन विथ नेग्लिजिबल इम्प्योरिटीज. सो दिस इज ऑन द लैब ग्रोन डायमंड के. तो यहाँ पे होता है माइनिंग करके दे हैव अ केमिकल रिएक्शन ऑन दिस. सो नेचुरल डायमंड कहाँ पे ज़्यादा मिलता है? रशिया, कनाडा, दिस आर दी कंट्रीज जहाँ पे नेचुरल डायमंड बहुत ज़्यादा मिलते हैं. एंड लैब ग्रोन डायमंड कहाँ पे? चाइना, इंडिया. सो दे आर दी प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ द लैब ग्रोन डायमंड. प्राइसिंग में आते हैं. सो प्राइसिंग में $5,000 फॉर 1 कैरेट सॉलिटेयर जो प्योर डायमंड होते हैं उसकी वैल्यूएशन, एंड जो लैब ग्रोन डायमंड होते हैं उसका $1,100 फॉर लैब ग्रोन डायमंड. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि जो ओरिजिनल नेचुरल डायमंड है उसके जस्ट 20% वैल्यूएशन में आपको लैब ग्रोन डायमंड मिलते हैं. सो जिसके पास पैसे की कमी हो और मे बी कांट अफोर्ड अ नेचुरल डायमंड, दे कैन अफोर्ड अ लैब ग्रोन डायमंड. सो ये एकदम प्योर और सेम एज इट इज़ होते हैं but the demand for natural diamond always be on the natural diamond part. Let's talk about the global natural rock diamond. कौन से countries provide करते हैं and how they are. So one third of the diamond comes from Russia, 33%. And if we see now 2019, 33%. Then यहाँ पे थोड़ा यूक्रेन हिट की वजह से थोड़ा प्रोडक्शन में कटौती हुआ होगा, but still it is going the same as it is. If you see 2022, 30%, not only any country, Russia has provided 35%. So the natural diamond has increased 1% between 2020 to 2023. 1% इसकी जो प्रोडक्शन है इंक्रीज हुआ है 2023, और उसके बाद बाय 2000 कैलेंडर ईयर 2028 105 to 120 मिलियन कैरेट्स होने वाला है. एंड सबसे ज़्यादा प्रोवाइडर एज आई मेंशन रशिया है, सबसे ज़्यादा प्रोवाइड करने वाला, which is 35% of the world rough diamond. It's coming from Russia. Then you have Canada and Botswana. So these are the countries who provide the maximum natural diamond. About diamond import and import of rough natural diamonds by country. So ये import data है, which is 42% India import करता रहता है. Then UAE imports 30%. Then you have a European Union 16%, and rest of the world is 12%. India is leading, who is 42% overall diamond import करता है. So this is a good for the company also, because the more imports they do, business यहाँ पे होगा, because यहाँ पे cutting, shaping and everything happens over here. So as a import percentage, India is very high. ओके, अब देखते हैं ज्वेलरी मार्केट बाय वैल्यू. ओके, साइज कैसा है. सो इफ़ यू सी ज्वेलरी मार्केट ज़्यादातर होता है गोल्ड के लिए. ओके, सो गोल्ड टेकन द मैक्सिमम वन, then comes the other material, or maybe diamond in the second category. 2023 contributing 15% in overall market. If you see gold, there is a dip over here, 86% to 82, and then what here it's become 70 to 75%, which is projection 2028. Now यहाँ पे आप देखिए पहला डायमंड का था 8%, and then it moved to 15%. Okay, so there is an increase in the demand, or in the value, at 15%. So the studded jewelry market is expected to drive India's jewelry market by growing at a projected 20% CAGR. So by calendar year 2023 till 2028. So there's a CAGR of 20% growth, which is going to see, which is a good one. The growth potentiality of the market size by value. So अभी के लिए if you see, gold is going a little deeper, but the diamond growth is happening, so which is good for this particular business. Okay, retail pricing benchmark versus lab grown diamond versus natural diamond. If you see in this graph, okay, so natural diamond का prices ज़्यादा fluctuate नहीं होता. Okay, and if you see, this started with 6,200 on 2016-17, and अभी चल रहा है 5,600. So more or less there is a continuation of the same price for the 1 carat diamond. But lab grown diamond, because ये artificially बनाया जाता है, so there is a huge drop. Initially it was started at 5,300, then it fall in 1750, then 1100. So there is a stability. The company suggested that there would be a stability on the lab grown diamond, but this is the demand is picking up now. Okay, 50% of demand is coming from this lab grown diamond. which is a good thing, which is the producer, major producer is India and China for this. So you can look at this particular data, which is very useful for the investing. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं lab grown diamond are generally priced 70 to 80% lower than natural diamonds in 2023. And lab grown diamond में एक अच्छा होता है कि customers can avail a large and varied stones for similar prices. So they can customize कि मुझे ऐसा चाहिए. So they can do that for lab grown diamond. Okay, let's talk about the company now. Now, this company established in 1999, headquarters in Mumbai. Okay, this company is a part of International Gemological Institute (IGI) जिसको बोलते हैं global network, known for diamond and gemstone certification. This is the company who actually does the business of diamond and gemstone certification. Okay, education through gemology schools. So they provide the educations to identify how we're going to do the diamond and all this stuff. Leaders in laboratory growth diamond certification. Okay. The name of the company is called IGI India Limited. Okay. International Gemological Institute Limited. So as I mentioned before, key company diamond, color gemstone and education is a business provide company. So these are the segments. If you see certification, sorting and screening. Okay, so these are the lab grown diamond and studded jewelry, natural diamond and colored stone. So these are they provide the educations for for the identifying the diamond and how they do it. These are the different types of service which company provides. Now location, let's understand the location. So if you see globally, the branches are there. पहले ये start हुआ था 1975 started on Belgium. फिर 1980s में they started on another branch in US. Then it's on Thailand, then Italy, then India 1999 and so on and so forth. So they have lab as well as schools every part of the world. Okay. So India has the highest one. They have 19 labs and 9 schools. Okay. US they have 3 labs. So this is the location where we have the IGI laboratories, IGI schools of gemology. So 31 laboratories and 18 schools they have. India में कहाँ पे है? India में these are the laboratory and these are the schools of geometry. If you see, they have a highest level on the Mumbai and Gujarat. They have in Calcutta, they have in Hyderabad, and they have a Bangalore. So every schools and the lab both are present over there, even in the Chennai location, Tamil Nadu. So these are the for Indian location. Okay, let's get to see the IPO details. So total IPO size is 4,225 crore. Fresh issue is 1,250 crores, and OFS offer for sale, which is buying from the promoter, 2,975 crore. Okay, so this is BCP Asia 2. It's nothing but the Blackstone. So Blackstone is a 100% promoter who holding the 100% share in this particular IGI. So they are IGI India buying some part of it from the Blackstone to acquire certain things. So I'll discuss about that. Price band क्या बोल रहे हैं कि 397 से 470 रुपए per share. So when you are applying, you can put 417 the price band. So these are the retail investor के लिए 35 shares The minimum investment is 14,595 for a single lot of a brand. And listing कहाँ पे BSE and NSE both पे. Now acquisition क्या हो रहा है? Acquisition of IGI Belgium Netherlands groups 1,100 crore में, and general corpus purpose 150 crore. So this is the bifurcation of the 1250 crore. Okay. Currently, what is happening, which is this is the taken by Blackstone. Then India direct connection has IGI Turkey, which is 100%. Then you have a IGI Netherlands and IGI Belgium. So IGI Belgium comes under IGI USA, and in Netherlands we have the different branches. So after the acquisitions and everything, the graph will look like this. The inter-channel will look like this. So under IGI India, it will be IGI Netherlands, Belgium, and Turkey. Okay, and everything comes under IGI India. So this is the post acquisition. Let's understand the financials now. Now they have very good strong assets. If you see in 31st 2021, 319 to it's moved to 775. Revenue has grown drastically. Profit after tax has grown. Net worth also has grown drastically. So reserve and surplus, the CEO has mentioned around 500 crores they have a reserve and surplus. So which is a very good money to keep in. So between calendar year 2021 and calendar year 2023, IGI revenue increased from 374 crore to 648 crore, reflecting a CAGR of 32%, which is a good one. So this is a very unique business they have. First, what they are, the global competitors is called GI, Gemological Institute of America. This is a non-profit organization they do. Then they have HRD Antwerp, and then we have IGI. So IGI differentiates itself by dominance in the lab-grown diamond segment and its expansive global footprint. So the dominance is coming from the lab-grown diamond. So here the dominance is there. So they don't have a in-house competitors. They have all the global competitors who provides the certificate. Major one is the GIA. Now risk and challenges. So risk majorly is that luxury demand dependency. Okay. So obviously luxury item, diamond is a specious one. Everyone wants to have at least one diamond. So this is the good one. Competition from GI and HRD for the certification aspects because these are the non-profit. Reliance on the lab-grown diamond, a segment with evolving consumer preferences. So lab-grown demand की जो consumption है, okay, even it depending as you see the pricing and all. So lab-grown demand की जो pricing है is from started with 5,500 then fall into 1,100. So you'll get to see the in a stable condition. Once it is stable, then company will make money. Also, they have a Russia-Ukraine war which is going on still. So यहाँ पे भी natural diamond की supply में भी थोड़ा बहुत you get to see the any sort of obstacles and all. So these are the couple of minor challenges which is there. But we see this natural diamond की जो demand as usual है, which see is 35% around, which is comes from the Russia. So there is very less impact on the Russian-Ukraine war, but still there is some sort of challenges will be there, which needs to be considered before you invest. Now the verdict comes here. Should you invest and why you might? Okay. Established market leader with global dominance in lab-grown diamond. Okay, they are the higher, on the lab-grown diamonds, because if you see 50% markets here, which is happening on the India. Growth potential in natural diamond and colored gemstone segment. IPO proceeds allocated towards global expansion and reducing the debt. Business growth is 32% CAGR, which is a very good. Valuations at the upper brand might be slightly premium side. This is a unique concept business. Okay. So there is no competition in house. All the competition happens in globally. For a long term view, आप invest करके इसको छोड़ सकते हैं. If you do any sort of investment, please do your own research. So this is our perspective, our looking at the company. Till then, see you in the next time. Thank you. And keep investing wisely.